So here's something that not many people know about. So these Jefferson Nickel coins all have a D mint mark near the date there. Now, typically the D mint mark is going to be located in this area, but there's a possibility that if you have a 1975 Jefferson Nickel like this, but the D mint mark is in a different location, the coins are going to be worth normally about $1 or $2. But if they're in this different location, regardless of the condition, they're going to be worth over $200. It's this small detail which differentiates the two. Not many people even know this exists, but this is considered to be a variety of the coin that should have never really happened. There are not many of them out there, but there are sales online happening quite often. So here's the difference. You can see the location of the D is much higher on this 1975 Jefferson Nickel compared to the other ones I showed you before. This one right here sold for $355. Now I'm always suspicious on eBay if there's only one bid, but just because there's one bid doesn't mean that it's not real. This one right here has the same thing. It's a high D mint mark. As you can see, that D is just much higher. And this example right here sold for $499, pretty much $500 for this one little Jefferson Nickel. If you learned something, you'll definitely learn something from my other videos too. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.